Your electric bill went up again. You blamed inflation, but part of that increase is something you never signed up for: the AI boom. Whether or not you've ever touched a chatbot, you're helping pay to keep the data centers behind it running. And here's the part that stings: you can't opt out. In the next few minutes, exactly how that happens, the real dollar figure, and 4 things that actually push back. Start with a word on your bill you've probably never thought about: capacity. The grid doesn't just pay for the power you use, it pays to guarantee enough supply is ready for the peak moment everyone needs it at once. Grid operators buy that readiness years ahead. In what's called a capacity auction, the price it clears at gets spread across everyone's bill. So, when demand for ready power spikes, the auction price spikes, and it lands on all of us proportionally. Now watch what happened to that price. In the largest U.S. grid region, PJM, that's about 65 million people across 13 states and D.C., the capacity price went from roughly $29 to over $329 per unit in about 2 years. That's not a typo. It's more than a 10 times jump. And when analysts asked what drove it, the answer was blunt. Data centers, the giant server farms training and running AI, accounted for about 63% of that increase. In dollars, roughly $9.3 billion pulled from customers. A single large AI data center can use as much electricity as a small city, and they're being built fast. Their demand raises the ready power price for everyone in the region. That's the mechanism. You're not imagining it. Here's why just using less doesn't get you off the hook. Capacity cost is about the system's peak, not only your personal usage. It's socialized, split across the whole region. So even a careful household using the same power as last year can pay more because the shared bill for keeping the grid ready went up. So what does it actually cost you? One projection for the average PJM household is about $70 a month more by 2028. Across the region, cumulative costs are projected in the $100 billion range through the early 2030s, unless the rules change. These are projections, not guarantees, but the direction is already showing up on real bills. You can't opt out of the shared cost, but you can shrink your slice and push on the system. 4 moves. 1. Find out if you're even in an affected grid. PJM is the Mid-Atlantic and Midwest. Other regions vary. Your utility's website tells you which. 2. Cut your peak usage, not just your total. Shift the dishwasher, laundry, EV charging, and AC pre-cool to off-peak hours. Many utilities price by time of use, and peak is where the capacity cost bites. 3. Efficiency that targets peak. A smart thermostat, LEDs, and ceiling leaks quietly lower what you draw when it's most expensive. 4. This is a policy fight, and it's live right now. Groups are pushing to make data centers pay their own way. Your Public Utility Commission takes public comment. That's the lever with the biggest number attached. Recap: your bill pays for ready power. AI data centers spiked that price about tenfold in PJM. It's socialized, so you can't opt out. But shifting your peak use and pushing on the rules are real levers. If you want the money behind the money headlines, subscribe. Calm, sourced, no hype. Educational only, not financial advice. Check your utility's time of use rates. That's your 10-minute start.